Who's your flying spec up or an even?
Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
I think that's a pretty solid piece of pilot. Taxing out!
Did,
Can you just travel? Why? Yeah, but just go to the Are you an engineer? That's right. Oh, come on. Keon, what are you doing? We're going that way. Oh, come on. Okay, then wait.
Keon likes living dangerously.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to take off downwind.
Oh, God.
Okay, there we go.
Did you have them on separate channels?
No, it's just for whatever reason. One channel travels 150%.
Oh.
Oh, this is fun. Awesome!
But somebody else is flying on the other end. Wow, look, these crazies. Dude, you guys are going against the pattern, aren't you?
John Frank, I want to see the hero. Right to left,
No, they're going the right way.
It should be right to left. Right to left. Downwind low pass.
Well, don't do that, guys. There's too much going on. Yeah. Don't do no. Stay away from the downwind.
So here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. You want to grease this one. Here's the thing.
Yeah, I guess we'll wait for all the crazies.
I raised my ear.
I don't know who it is.
See this piece? I raised it because I need like an attitude. One of them is that way.
Oh, it's the other guy. But he's not really flying the pattern.
Yeah. But I don't like it.
Oh. Is he about to crash?
The train? Oh, yeah.
No, I don't know what he's doing.
But you can take one of the pieces.
Oh, no! Top Gun! No.
So those are the
They got a Mustang. Actually, I think they got the same Mustang. Here, okay, right? Wait.
It's all FMS, right? All of it. Yeah. Nothing's E-Flight. It's just the name.